Brows really do shape your face. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kalaki ang mababago ng kilay look natin. Kung gusto mo na malambot at bagets na itsura, go for the straight brows. Tasahang mabuti ang lapis para malinis ang pagguhit. I-fill in mo ng flat side, boogsh! Straight brows ka na agad! Kung fierce at confident look naman, nakaarkong kilay naman ang gawin, gumawa ka ng manipis na strokes with a long tail. Then flip to flat side to fill in. Precision look or without tiny pencils na madaling mabali. Or brow pens na natutuyo agad. One straight, one arch. Last step, lock it in with brow mascara. Clear or brown. Walang crunchy feeling, just fluffy brows that stay put all day. Straight brows, soft and beautiful. Arch brows, fierce and confident. Anong brow style ka today? Let me know your comments at itag mo na rin ang seswa mong Can I get a seswa? Thank you! Bye!